I'm Louis Colon, General Manager of Mr. Windows and Doors of Houston. We replace windows and doors, and one of the main things is we offer windows at a fair price. One of the unique things about us is we have in-house installers. They work just for us, and because of that, we're able to offer a higher level of installation. We will put zip walls up in your home to contain dust and debris, so we treat it as if we would treat our own home. Our in-house installers are going to make sure they're doing everything the right way. It will be energy efficient, and you're going to like the window, how it looks. You want to replace your windows if you're feeling the heat. It's too hot in the summer, it's too cold in the winter. So at that point, there's something going on. So replacing your windows is going to help with that. So upgrading your windows, you're going to increase the resale value of your home. You're upgrading from 90s to today's technology. You're going to reap the benefits of having better energy efficiency and aesthetics as well. It's going to look great having brand new windows. Nobody offers a better window for Houston than Mr. Windows, and I mean that.